this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and today we are going to do a foil manicure. I found in my foils this beautiful, beautiful one, and I figured let's play with it. The foil glue I'm going to be using is by iMethod Beauty. I need me another bottle soon. This one's getting used up pretty quickly here. So we're going to do one foil nail at a time because you don't want to cure one nail if you have it sitting around. The foil will not stick to it good then. Get your sides really well. You want to cure them for approximately 40, whoops, it falls over. I'm going to put it in for hopefully 60. We're going to do that. We're going to add some bling to some nails. These two are going to have diagonal, full coverage, diagonal butterflies. But along the diagonal foil here is going to have bling. So I'm excited about that. We're waiting on the nail on the lamp. It might be in for 60. It's hard to say. Hard to say. Let's see. I am going to use iGel Beauty No White Top Coat. So I'm going to go ahead and top coat these now while that is in the lamp. Lamp is done. Okay. Now, since this is a stiletto nail and it is so long, we cannot go like this. We are having to go for full coverage down the nail. And rub, rub, rub. Make sure you get your sides real well. It's a cuticle area. I think this is going to be a really cute design. So let's check her out. There we go. We got full coverage. Isn't that beautiful? Pink roses with the black. I think that is really, really pretty. Now we're going to go in for our first diagonal nail. But let me try to brace my hand well here. Hope that is straight to the best of my ability. Oh no. I have to put top coat on that nail. That's not going to work. Shoot. So I guess I'm going to let that cure since I just top coated it. I grabbed the wrong bottle. Whoopsie. Now let's put the top coat bottle aside so I don't do this again. That's a shame. A real shame. You know, that was top coat alright. That was top coat. Like I said, get your sides. Make sure this, oh, I don't think this is straight. I don't think that is straight. It's hard to see. Oh, the lamp is ready. Press it down on the nail into the foil glue and rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. So let's take her off and take the gander. Alright, not bad, not bad. And we're going to do the same one with the thumbnail. Pop this one back in the lamp. Give that one a cure. For the butterflies, I'm using the Rhinestone Glue by Model Ones. I'm gonna put me 2 little dollops. There we go with that. I think that's really cute. I'm gonna put this in the lamp for a full cure. There we go. The lamp is done for the foil glue. Push that out to the nail. Start rub, rub, rub. Rub, 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 rub. I do like foils. Check this out now. There we go. Now, take this one off. We're gonna top coat. Middle nail is getting fully covered. There we go. I'm gonna pop that one in the lamp. These are the nails that will have some bling on them. Some bling. I'm going to put these diagonally down the nail. Maybe I should have chose a different color. Can't really see these. They are there. The bling is arrived. It's there. I promise you. This is a little bit more of a cure, the full coverage nail. We're done with the top coat. Done with the top coat. There we go. There's the snail. I hope I wasn't out of frame. We're gonna put this puppy in the lamp. And we'll be back. Oh, well, we won't. We're gonna do the snail here. Get me $1. There we go, there we go. Put that in the lamp with the others and we'll be back. Alrighty, we are back and out of the lamp, out of the cooker freshly. I think this turned out really super cute. The foils, the butterflies, and the bling. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure for today. Let me know your thoughts. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. You helping me grow my channel ever so slightly, one subby at a time. If you have a channel, let me know and I'll subscribe back. Click the bell, click all, that way you get to be notified of all future videos, giveaways, and any important information. Until then, until next time, have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.